Hey guys, how's it going? This week we are doing a large set of steps and a driveway extension. Stick around for the tear outs, the prep, the pour, all that good stuff. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then, guys. Have a great day.
Tuvo que sacarle, traer una de 9, una 9 milímetros. Tuvo que sacarle la 9 para ahuyentarlos. Eran 4 fotos. Risa que me pegaba cuando estaba platicando el güey.
No, que eran un pinche grupo de lobos a la chingada. All right, guys, there it is. Pour came out well. Our water's going from here down that way, off the edge of the wall over there. Got a nice kind of little swell. From here, we're shooting this way, so water shouldn't stay anywhere. There's a little step over here. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but so far so good. So next week, we'll be hitting those steps on the other side. We'll see you then, guys. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye. All right, guys, there it is. We backed the truck right up to the stairs. They came out really nice. We added one more step here. Instead of the 5, now we have 6 over there. Instead of 3, we have 4. Evened out the landings. Came out really, really sweet. We did this big face here because it's going to be obviously seen. That one, not so much. Those, not at all. But there it is, guys. What do you think? I think came out real nice. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. See you next week. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.